Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. As you can see, I'm sitting outside in front of our koi pond. Oh, the koi are doing beautiful. I don't know if you can see any of them back there, but they got so big since last year. Well, as most of you know, the month of June is graduation month. And here in New Jersey, we are having a heat wave. And when I say a heat wave, let me tell you, I mean a heat wave. The temperature's been close to 100 with the heat index even higher. It's unbearable. I mean, you really, unless you have a pool and you just stay in the water, you can't be outside. Well, today I want to show you a little clip of my grandson Aaron's high school graduation. He graduated from Pequannock High School, and he'll be going to Rowan College next year. So anyway, here's the story. I have gone to, so far, all of my grandsons' graduations. However, this year turned out a little bit different. The high school has the graduation outside, and like I said, it was brutally hot. So this year, I decided not to go to the school, but we were going to meet at my daughter's house and do family photos there and congratulate Aaron. And then I assigned my daughter, Dawn, the job of taking some pictures for me and some videos at the graduation and to send them to me. So today, that's what you're going to see. You're going to see family photos in the beginning of my grandson Aaron and some of the family. Not everyone was able to be there. And then we're going to go off to the high school where you'll see some great videos of the kids, and you'll see Aaron receiving his diploma. So most of you know my husband, better known as the cameraman, passed away almost 3 months ago. He would have done anything to be here for the graduation. But I'm sure he's up above watching and very proud of Aaron. And I guess I'm going to dedicate this video to him. So hopefully, Tim, you're up there watching and cheering Aaron on. Family meant everything to Tim, and being an athlete himself with all of his grandsons playing sports, he went to every game he possibly could until he was too sick to go any longer. So anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you just press the little subscribe and the bell. That's all there is to it. You will get a notification the next time I have a video up. And I do all sorts of videos on my channel. I do my baking, sweet and savory, and I do special events and other fun things, vacations, just to keep it interesting. Well, anyway, if you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and pretty soon you'll be seeing a video of Aaron's party, his graduation party. So stay tuned, and I will see you all very soon. But before I go, let me move, and maybe I can get you to see some of the koi in the pond. Oh, they're doing so beautiful. Hold on. How many do we have, Scott?
I think 11.
11 of them, and oh, Scott and Kyle made this pond last year. You know, Scott is my son, and when we got the koi, they were tiny, and they survived the entire winter with Scott's care, and now they're like 3 times the size, and they all survived, doing fantastic. So stay tuned for the graduation ceremony. Love you all. So here's my grandson Aaron, the graduate, And the school colors are blue and gold. And there he is on his front lawn. And here are his proud parents, my daughter Dawn and my son-in-law Jason. And here he is with his mom. I love this picture. I think they both look great in it. And there he is with his family. His brother, Jake, is on the left, Dawn, Aaron, and Jason. And here he is with his brother. And here's the group. There's Jake, Moa, Dawn, Aaron, Jason, and my son, Scott. And here I am with Aaron. So proud of him. And here he is with his Uncle Scott. Thumbs up. And now we're moving on to the actual graduation. You'll see the kids all marching in. You'll see Aaron being presented with his diploma. And I love it. You gotta wait till the end where all the kids throw their caps in the air.
Yeah, that's right.
Right there? That's him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, there he is. I don't know who else is that.
Aaron Goldberg. Abigail Dahl.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the Pequannock Township High School class of 2024.
So I want to congratulate my grandson Aaron on his graduation, and I want to thank all of you who are still here and watch the video. I inserted a picture of Aaron with his sweetie Hannah and his proud mom, dad, and brother. So Aaron and all the graduates, remember, the best is yet to come. Toodles!